all and welcome. Today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you all my review for this herb scissors set from the guys over at Chefast. Chefast promises a lifetime guarantee on this. They will replace your herb scissors if the scissors malfunctions or breaks, but the guarantee does not apply to the blade cover or the drawstring bags which are included. And these are the drawstring bags. Included in the package is the care and use instructions. This is the cover for the scissors. And as you guys can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blades. So here I have some flat leaf Italian parsley, and if you are in a rush and you don't want to use a knife, this is where scissors would come in handy. All you would have to do is go in and chop like this, and it would chop it up pretty fine for you all. Now I'm going a little bit slow because I don't want to make a mess all over the countertop. So guys, I have to say that it works really well. I like that I can chop up some herbs really quickly with this scissors rather than having to dirty a cutting board and a knife. So if you guys like this product, you can see there are still some stranglers inside there. You can just shake that to get it out. If you guys like this product, I absolutely like it for the ease and on the go and the convenience of this. The scissors is not that heavy. It has a good weight to it. The handles are very comfortable. I like that it has that little logo there. I love the green color for the kitchen with the contrast of the white. So if you guys are interested in this product, I will leave all the information for it down below in the description box. So make sure head over there and check that out. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for watching another one of my reviews. And I will see you all another day with another one of my reviews. Enjoy!